What is up you guys, it's your boy and I'm back for another TikTok video. Let's go! Alam nyo guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung thought ko as of the moment. No? It's around 3:08 a.m. today, but gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na gusto mo yung naglag ako, pero gusto ko lang kasi sabihin sa inyo na hindi talaga lahat ng tao sa paligid mo at hindi talaga lahat ng taong mahal mo maibabalik kung gaano kabuti ang puso mo. Let me explain. So, as much as possible, we want to do things out of our own will and also out of our own genuine thoughts and care and love for the people we, care about. But at the end of it all, kahit na gaano natin sabihin na or kahit gaano natin sabihin na hindi naman nila maibabalik kung gaano kabuti yung ginawa mo sa kanila, or kahit gaano natin isip-isipin na kailangan natin i-prioritize. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan ito papunta. Teka nga. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo as much as possible sa lahat ng ginagawa natin, gawin natin to ng genuine and without expecting something in return. Kumbaga, kahit na alam natin na minsan hindi maibabalik sa atin yung buting na ibigay natin sa kapwa natin, as long as it's genuine coming from your heart, wala naman tao kailangan ikabahala kasi alam naman natin na God is a good God, and people will always be towards the individual desires of their heart. Now, ang gusto ko lang sabihin do not stop being a good and kind human being, because at the end of it all, regardless kung maibalik sa'yo yung kabutihan ng puso mo, syempre we would appreciate it too much. Pero kung hindi man, hindi ka rin malulungkot kasi ibig sabihin lang nun hindi ka nag-e-expect and still bukal pa din naman sa loob mo yung ginagawa mo. Yun nga lang siguro kaya ako din to ginagawa kasi gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na mahirap, easier said than done, no? Mahirap yung hindi ka mag-expect something in return. It is because it is innate for us humans na if you do something good towards a certain individual or specific person, parang nag-expect ka rin na gagawin nila the same way kung ano yung ginawa mo sa kanila. But again, kung hindi man ito magawa, doon tayo babalik sa pinaka-core natin and sa pinakasimula na gawin natin ang mga bagay dahil sa gusto natin gawin and dahil sa hindi tayo nag-expect something in return. Para kung hindi man nila maibalik yung kabutihan ng puso mo, okay lang kasi you've been parang prepared for what's about to happen or what's just happening right now. But again, do not stop being a good person. Be kind, do things that is coming from your genuine, love for the people around you. And kung hindi man maibalik, okay lang yun, because again, God is a good God and God loves a cheerful giver, and you will be blessed, you will be safe, and you will be definitely on the right track.